Tracy here with BibleJournalingMinistries.com, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Illustrating Your Envelope contest by Dayspring. They sent me this box of cards. It's called Tree to Cross is the name of the set that I have. I was so excited when they sent me an entire box because these will be my Christmas cards this year. But if you need one, you can just go ahead to Dayspring.com and purchase any of the Christmas cards that they have to enter the contest. Or if you're unable to do that, they actually have another way to enter. You'll just send a request to webcare@dayspring.com. So I will link to their rules and everything so that you have that in this video. But I did want to let you know that there are 3 different ways to basically illustrate your envelope. They're going to do a category for mixed media, inspired by the card, and simple elegance. So 3 different categories. You basically illustrate an envelope, one of their envelopes, you take a picture of the card in the envelope and you post it to Pinterest, and you use the hashtag Mail That Matters and hashtag Dayspring, and then they're going to select the top 3. There's also going to be a winner for the person who has the most social media likes or engagements or whatever, something that I guess it's kind of like the audience votes. So if you like my cards, make sure you vote for mine. That would be really awesome, and I would appreciate that. And the winners are going to get, they said, you'll receive every 3 months, you're going to get 4 boxes of cards. Whoa, that's a lot. Every 3 months during 2019, they're going to send you 4 boxes of cards if you win. Like, that's cards for life. I mean, that's a lot. So let me go ahead and just show you the one that I picked. They sent me this box, and I thought they were just going to send me a card, but they're so generous, they sent me a whole box. And so I'm going to be illustrating envelopes in this video, and I will link up to those if you would like to vote for mine. That would be great. If you are going to do one yourself, please enter the contest. The contest ends on November 15th, so you want to make sure that you get your envelopes and start illustrating them. And I just think you guys are going to have so much fun with this contest. And wouldn't it be great to win that many cards? 4 boxes of cards every 3 months. That's a lot of cards. What is that, 16 boxes? I don't know. It seems like a lot. Every 3 months during 2019, so that's 4 times a year, you're going to get 4 boxes of cards. So 4 times 4 is 16. That's 16 boxes of cards. That's a lot of cards. Okay, so anyways, what a fun prize. So the card that I picked is called Tree to Cross, and it retails for $15 for the box, and it comes with 20 cards. And it says, when you strip away all the tinsel and glitter, so then you have all the tinsel and glitter coming away from the tree, God's real truth shines through. It says, Jesus answered, I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6 NIV. Isn't that awesome? When I saw this on their website, I was just like, this is amazing. What a beautiful card. I mean, you can just see how like shiny it is, and what a good quality card it is. It's really nice, thick card. I mean, it's really, I mean, if you think about even just the cost of this, so it's $15 for a box of 20. That's less than $1 a card. And I think right now it's on sale for $10. And I don't know if it'll be on sale by the time you see this, video, but if you were to get them for $10, that's 50 cents a piece. I mean, these cards, they feel like to me the kind you get for $5 at the store. That's how good they are. So anyways, and of course I rarely buy cards at the store because they're so expensive. I usually will try to make my own card, but these, I mean, especially if you get them on sale, man, no one's going to have this card. This is beautiful. Okay, so here's what I'm going to do in this video. I'm going to just take my envelopes, I'm going to start illustrating them and just having fun with them, and then I'll come back and show you what I came up with in the final wrap-up. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video, add a little music to it. I hope you like it, and I'll talk to you soon. I am back to share with you the cards that I made. And by the way, all of these at this address here, this P.O. Box 1010 Siloam Springs, Arkansas 72761, that is the Dayspring address. So if you are trying to write them for a card, go ahead and use this address. Or just go ahead and click the link I have below so that you have all the details that you need in order to enter the Illustrating Envelope Contest. Illustrating Envelope Contest. Can I say that? So here are my examples, and I hope that this inspires you, because I know you're going to look at these and you're going to say, I can do better than that. So I want you to do better than this. Please enter the contest. This one is for the Simple Elegance submission. Then I have the Inspired by card, because it's got the same ornaments in this card. I put here on front, and then I just added a little bit of gold highlight to her name. And then I also did another one that is inspired by the card, and it has the little tree with the crown. Kind of very similar, inspired by. And then I had one that is really not, probably not in any of the categories, but I just liked to do the little crown of thorns. And then I had the mixed media category, so I used my gel press for this, and I just added some washi tape to it, as well as some gel pen. So it's just a white gel pen, a Uniball Signo pen. Uniball Signo is the one I use. That one. Along with my gel press and my acrylic paints. This is just a yellow, green medium, and the brilliant magenta. And then I had another mixed media one. Now obviously this is not going to go in the mail. This one has just little elements on it. And again, I used my gel press with my Faber-Castell Pip Artist pen, as well as my Arteza real brush pens to color the letters. Then I had some Stampin' Up! Embellishments from like years ago that I just put on front, and then the washi tape for the mixed media effect. And then for this one, this one has just some vinyl stickers that I had by Crazy Creations, and just again some paint that I scraped on, and again with the pip brush just coming in with some lines and stuff, just making it look a little bit different and interesting. And then the one that I'm not going to submit is this one here. This one I try to do with some glitter, and then I went ahead and added some tape over it, because obviously that glitter comes off and I don't want it everywhere. So these are all the cards that I made, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. And again, I encourage you to enter the Illustrating Envelope Contest, and hopefully you'll win more cards than you probably ever will use in your life. All right, have a good day. Goodbye.